crack, boy. Good, how are you? Living the dream. Ah, sure. You wouldn't have it any other way. Love the hardship.
Oh, she is. I'll be fond of it. I'll be very fond of it.
The road up to it is so nice.
Oh, savage.
It's lovely, and even coming up here, like, it's just... I passed this so many times, I never even knew it was here, like.
This is here. Go take off the arrow, we're forward to go, yeah.
Deadly.
We're up around there.
Alright, cool. There, look. You having coffee or tea? Do you have lines? I'm sure I'll do. So they've only lines that do. Hour. Isn't it better than sitting on the couch for fucking 3 hours, you know? Go out on the bike, you can sit on the couch when you get home. Like.
Oh, look at this. Just about 74,000 kilometres, just got to talk on it. Nearly 74,000 kilometres.
Paddy, you won't believe I'm 13 kilometres away from 40.
Oh.
That's unreal.
Huh?
That's some view.
Oh, savage, isn't it?
Oh my God.
Right, to give you an idea, Walty, way. See where I'm pointing there? Just watch on my fingers. See where that antenna is?
Yeah.
You can clearly see it's very, very far. That far here.
Yeah.
That's where we were.
That's where we were, daily.
Fucking thing is recorded.
Thanks very much.
Hey, you know what? Okay, though.
Is it on? Yeah, it's on.
Give us a text when you get home, anyway. Go
Yeah.
home safe and sound.
For shizzle. For shizzle, man.
Smell like blood, hit the gas,